Hey, 13 and 1. Yeah, what's up? So I was wondering what the name of the show was. Oh yeah, it's IOB. Okay, what does that stand for? It stands for Inanimate Object Battle. Oh, cool. What does inanimate mean? It means insane, inanimate. Who are you people? I like the new intro. Thanks. And guess what? It's time for your elimination. Wait, what? No, I meant your team's elimination. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's time for your elimination. Oh, I'm scared. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Oh, okay. It's time to announce the votes. We got 2 of them this time. A world record. No, not a world record. Why did I say that? Oh my god. Okay, so the first one safe is skateboard with 0 votes. And then, next safe is hooky with 0 votes. And now, only one of them still has 0 votes. So, and that one is apple juice. So that means we have a tie between Stampy and Basket. Okay, so your tiebreaker challenge is to draw the best drawing. Go. Time's up. I like this one. Wait, but that means that I'm eliminated. Yes, you are. Bye-bye. Hey guys, watch this. Your next challenge is to complete the obstacle course and bring back my paper airplane, which I lost. Go. Don't worry, guys. I got this. Zoom. You're not going anywhere. Huh? Pluggy? What are you doing here? I've come to make your team lose. And to get the paper airplane. But you're not gonna stop me. Yes, I am. Wait, what? No. Whatever. Well, looks like Hooky has made her team safe because she got back my paper airplane. Yay! She sabotaged her team though. Meh, I don't care. So you know what that means, viewers? Vote these people who are up for elimination by typing their letter in the square bracket.
Voting ends March 26th.